it's Lisa from Early On, and today I'm going to show you how to make some fun festive snacks over the Christmas break. So the first one we're going to make is this cute little snowman, and he looks like Olaf to me. So all you need is 2 big marshmallows, 3 stick pretzels. I used an orange Smartie for his nose, and then some chocolate sprinkles. So stick your pretzel in, and then put one on top, and that's going to hold them together. And then I'm going to use these ones as my stick arms. And then if you want your nose to stick, use a little bit of icing. And then I used chocolate sprinkles for the eyes and the buttons. And then you have a cute little marshmallow snowman for a snack. The next one we're going to make is a gingerbread or a little Christmas house. So you need some icing, and you need 3 graham crackers and then some sprinkles. So you have to start with the base, and you're going to cover the whole cracker with icing. You can color your icing if you want, but I chose to keep it white because it reminds me of snow falling on the rooftop. And then you're going to stick these 2 together, and then you're going to use your icing again as glue to hold it all together. And then you have to let that dry for just a little bit before you eat it, and then you can put your sprinkles on top. Or you can decorate it however you want. And the last yummy snack is a Christmas tree cone. So you need a sugar cone, and then you need some Christmas candy to decorate it. So I'm using Smarties and sprinkles, and then you have to color your icing green so that you can cover your sugar cone with green icing. And I'm doing this on a plate so that icing doesn't go all over because it gets very messy. See? But it's fun because then you can lick your fingers. Spread it all over. And then you can use your Smarties to decorate your tree. And then you have another yummy snack to eat. Hope you had fun making these awesome snacks. See you next time.